Hello and welcome back to another exciting video on Europe in Detail. Today, we're setting off on a fascinating journey to the Czech Republic, a treasure nestled in the heart of Europe. Join us as we explore 48 amazing facts about the Czech Republic, where ancient castles, innovative traditions, and vibrant city life come together in a captivating symphony. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. Prague, the Czech capital, known as the City of 100 Spires, is famed for its picturesque skyline, adorned with countless historical towers and church spires, offering a mesmerizing view at every turn. Number 2. The Czech flag features two horizontal bands of white and red with a blue triangle extending from the hoist side, symbolizing the Czech land's historical coat of arms. Number 3. Pilsner Urquell from Plzeň is acknowledged as the world's first pale lager, setting the standard for modern beer with its clear, golden appearance and light flavor, a proud export of the Czech Republic. Number 4. Kutná Hora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its historical silver mines and the eerie CZECH ossuary, decorated with tens of thousands of human bones. Number 5. The traditional Czech dish Svitkova na smetana is a culinary masterpiece, consisting of marinated beef served with a creamy vegetable sauce, often accompanied by bread dumplings, cranberries, and whipped cream. Number 6. The Velvet Revolution in 1989 marked the end of the communist rule in Czechoslovakia, led by students and intellectuals, including the future president Václav Havel, in a peaceful transition to democracy. Number 7. The Moravian karst, a geological phenomenon in the eastern part of the Czech Republic, features more than 1,000 caves and gorges, including the spectacular Makosha Abyss, a 138-meter-deep sinkhole. Number 8. Prague's astronomical clock, or horloge, located in the Old Town Square, is the third oldest astronomical clock in the world, and the oldest one still in operation, attracting visitors with its captivating display on the hour. Number 9. The Olomouc cheese, also known as Olomoucké Tvarutský, is a tasty aged cheese from the Moravia region, famous for its strong aroma and flavor, and is a protected geographical indication. Number 10. The Czech Christmas markets, particularly in Prague, are magical, offering a festive atmosphere with twinkling lights, traditional crafts, and delicious treats like trdelník, a warm cinnamon pastry. Number 11. The Czech Republic is a haven for spa enthusiasts, with towns like Karlovy Vary, Mariánské Lázně, and Františkovy Lázně offering therapeutic mineral springs and grand spa facilities set in stunning landscapes. Number 12. The Bohemian Paradise, a UNESCO geopark, is famed for its striking sandstone formations, ancient castles, and vast forests, offering a perfect escape into nature. Number 13. The Czech Republic is known for its honesty libraries, small bookcases found in parks and public spaces where people can take a book to read or leave one for others, reflecting the Czech love for literature and community trust. Number 14. Despite being a member of the European Union, the Czech Republic has retained its unique currency, the Czech koruna, which is not part of the Eurozone. The koruna's banknotes and coins feature iconic Czech personalities and cultural symbols, serving as a daily reminder of the Czech Republic's distinct identity within Europe. Number 15. The sugar cube was invented in 1843 by Jakub Krzysztof Rad, a director of a sugar company in CZECH, in the Czech lands. This small but significant invention was a result of his wife's complaint about the difficulty of cutting sugar loaves into smaller pieces. Number 16. The Czech Republic boasts over 2,000 castles, chateaux, and fortresses, making it one of the countries with the highest density of historical castles in the world. Number 17. The Great Moravian Empire, established in the 9th century, is recognized as the first significant state formation of the Slavic people in Central Europe, highlighting the Czech Republic's deep historical roots. Number 18. The Czechs celebrate a unique tradition known as Ugly Sweater Day in December, where people don their most bizarre and gaudy sweaters, adding a touch of humor and warmth to the festive season. Number 19. The Charles Bridge in Prague, dating back to the 14th century and adorned with Baroque statues, is one of the city's most iconic landmarks. offering breathtaking views of the Vltava River and Prague Castle. Number 20. The Czech Republic's love for hockey is evident, with the national team achieving remarkable success on the international stage, including winning Olympic gold and numerous world championships. Number 21. The Lipizzanner horses at Kladruby nad Labem, part of the oldest horse breed dedicated to carriage pulling, highlight the Czech Republic's contribution to equestrian traditions. Number 22. The Zlikovskis Tunnel in Prague is famous for its acoustic properties. A whisper at one end can be clearly heard at the other, making it a quirky spot for secrets and surprises. Number 23. The Skoda Auto Company, founded in 1895 in Mladá Boleslav, is one of the oldest car manufacturers in the world, showcasing the Czech Republic's long-standing tradition of engineering and innovation. Number 24. The annual Prague Spring International Music Festival celebrates classical music, attracting world-renowned artists and performers to the Czech capital since 1946. Number 25. The South Moravian region is famous for its wine, particularly the production of aromatic white wines, with the annual wine festivals being a highlight of Czech cultural life. Number 26. The Olomouc astronomical clock was redesigned in the socialist realist style after World War II, making it one of the few examples worldwide and a symbol of Czech history's layers. Number 27. The UNESCO-listed Ledničí Valtičí cultural landscape showcases an exceptional ensemble of Baroque castles and parks, created by the Liechtenstein family over centuries. Number 28. Czech inventor Jan Jansky was the first to classify blood into 4 types in 1907, a monumental contribution to medical science still used today in blood transfusions worldwide. Number 29. The Brno MotoGP, held at the Masaryk Circuit, is one of the premier events in the motorcycle racing calendar, drawing fans from across the globe to the Czech Republic. Number 30. The tradition of Czech garnet jewelry, particularly the deep red bohemian garnets, has been cherished for centuries, adorning everything from royal crowns to everyday accessories. Number 31. The Czech Republic's commitment to education is evident in its high-quality universities, such as Charles University in Prague, one of the oldest universities in Europe, founded in 1348. Number 32. The Czech Greenways is a network of trails for cyclists and hikers, stretching from Prague to Vienna, promoting eco-friendly tourism and showcasing the scenic beauty of the Czech countryside. Number 33. The Czech delicacy smaziny syr, a deep-fried cheese served with tartar sauce and potatoes, is a beloved comfort food that perfectly encapsulates the Czech Republic's hearty and indulgent culinary traditions. Number 34. The Czech Republic's architectural treasure trove includes styles ranging from Gothic and Baroque to Cubist and Functionalism, offering a visual feast for architecture enthusiasts. Number 5. The unique Czech Easter traditions, such as the Pomlázka, where boys gently whip girls with decorated willow branches to bring health and beauty, reflect the country's rich cultural customs. Number 36. The Czech Republic has a strong tradition of crystal glass production, with Bohemian crystal being celebrated worldwide for its high quality, craftsmanship, and beauty. Number 37. The Petrine Lookout Tower, resembling a small Eiffel Tower, offers panoramic views of Prague. Built in 1891 for the Jubilee exhibition, it's a testament to the Czech Republic's fascination with world cultures and architectural marvels. Number 38. The Czech Republic is renowned for its tradition of puppetry and marionette craftsmanship, with a rich history that dates back to the 18th century, making it an integral part of Czech culture. Number 39. The Czech Republic is the birthplace of the word robot, introduced by Karl Čapek in his play R.U.R., Rossum's Universal Robots, in 1920, highlighting the country's long-standing influence on global culture and science fiction. Number 40. The Czech Republic's beer spas offer a unique wellness experience, where visitors can bathe in beer ingredients, believed to provide health benefits and relaxation. Number 41. Prague-Venice is a charming network of canals around the Srtkovka River, reminiscent of a famous Italian city. Taking a boat ride here offers a unique perspective of the city's lesser-seen, picturesque nooks. Number 42. The annual Matony Half Marathon in Prague is part of the Run Czech Running League, drawing runners from around the world to compete amidst the city's historic backdrop. Number 43. The Czech Republic's public transport system, particularly in Prague, is renowned for its efficiency, accessibility, and integration, serving as a model for urban mobility. Number 44. The tradition of name days in the Czech calendar, where each day corresponds to a name, is celebrated with small gifts and well wishes, highlighting the importance of personal connections in Czech culture. Number 45. The tradition of Czech puppet theaters, recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage, continues to enchant audiences with its storytelling magic and artistic craftsmanship. Number 46. The Czech Republic's glass-making schools, like the Secondary School of Glassmaking in Kameničky Siňov, nurture future generations of glass artists, preserving traditional skills while fostering innovation. Number 47. The Silonky craze of the 1960s and 70s, when Czech women had unique access to Western fashion, is a quirky reminder of the country's cultural openness and adaptability. Number 48. The Czech tradition of Mikuláš on December 5th, where St. Nicholas, accompanied by angels and devils, visits children to reward or playfully reprimand them, showcases the Czech Republic's festive spirit and community values. And there you have it, 48 incredible facts about the Czech Republic. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure that you give us a like, and please share your views and opinions with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest adventures on Europe in Detail. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.